Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to collaborate on Loom Recording. To collaborate on a Loom recording, start by opening Loom on your device. Loom is a tool for leaving comments and reacting to videos. If you receive a Loom link from a teammate or someone else, you can add reactions or comments to it. For example, you can click on the reaction button and express your thoughts, like saying good job or any other reaction. Your name will be attached to the reaction, and the creator of the video will see it. You can also add comments to specific points in the video. Just pause the video at the desired point, click on the comment section and type your comment. For instance, you can write "wow" along with your name. Your comments will be visible to the creator, who can respond to it. Another option is to record a comment. This allows you to record your thoughts and reactions using your own Loom video. Simply start recording, share your thoughts briefly, stop the recording, and it will be processed and added as comments to the original Loom video. You can then watch it and see the responses. This method of collaboration enables effective communication synchronously, allowing team members to interact and exchange ideas easily. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.